recording. Oh, okay. Hi everybody. We're gonna model some ocean currents using this fish tank. This is my daughter Rachel. She's gonna help. Andrew's the videotaker, but you can't see him. That's okay. Rachel's putting ice in a bag because we're gonna put some ice in this fish tank, but we don't want it to stay around. Hey, just put ice in there and don't take the ice cubes out. It doesn't matter which ones would go in the bag. Well, here, go a little faster like this. Help it get in there. Don't pour it. You use your hand. There we go. There we go. That's fine. We'll get it later.
Look how big that looks.
It's gonna be pretty. Yes.
Whoa, that is big.
Yep. We'll break it up so we can keep it closed. Uh-oh. I think maybe we went a little too far. Okay. All right. So Andrew or Rachel, do you know what happens to cold air? Do you know what happens to cold air?
It turns into ice.
Or hot air. Do you know what hot air does?
It rises.
Hot air rises. Do you know what cold air does?
It
lowers.
lowers.
It goes down.
Goes
Okay.
down.
So, what about hot water?
Hot water? Oh, that
Draw a
makes
connection.
no.
The bubbles go up.
He's making this gesture here. The hot water's going to go up, and what is the cold water going to do?
Go
Gonna
Go
down.
down. Okay. So, Andrew, you might need to come around to the side over here, or maybe over here, depending on which side you want to be in. Just moved it all. Okay, so I've got some blue food coloring.
Can I put it in?
Yes.
How many drops?
Put like 4 drops, like 1, 2, 3, 4, but only on this side of the tank.
1, 2, 3,
4 minutes in a corner.
4.
Okay, and now we're gonna put this right here, and it's gonna cool the water down. And what we should see is that as the food coloring gets into the cool water, it should also sink. And so the water directly below, do you see it right there? Look at that. Can you see it, Andrew? Can you get it close? Do you see the water right up next to it is just starting to go straight down?
Mm-hmm.
That's water that is cool sinking. Can you see it okay, Andrew? Do we need a white background?
It's so cool.
Grab one of these.
It looks weird because
Okay, can I put this? Can you see it better that way?
Mm-hmm.
So we can see it just sinking down to the bottom.
Here, I'll hold
Okay, and that's what the cool water does.
it. You can let go.
You can. I really like watching just all of that, just like moving around in the water. Doesn't that just look cool? All by
Yeah,
itself?
it looks like a flower, a super big flower that's blooming.
It does. And that's what's happening. So the cool water is sinking over there, and you'll notice that the blue water, if we add a couple drops over here,
Yeah.
it's not going to sink the same way because that water's not as cold.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Okay, so this is probably, I mean, it's going to sink because of gravity and whatnot, but it's going to stay a lot higher than the water, or than the dye over
looks
there.
pretty.
It doesn't go down nearly
See?
as fast.
It's dark and it's light.
Yep. In fact,
Whoa, that looks like a jellyfish.
I can actually see the water moving very quickly underneath that.
It looks like it's a jellyfish.
Now, can you tell me, why do you think this is moving in the direction of over there?
Because it's cold, it's hot. Whoa, that looks weird.
Okay, here, set this down. What do you think, Andrew? So this water is going down. I put these drops in way over here. Why is it going that way?
Because that's cold and they're really hot.
But it doesn't go from the hot to the cold. Actually, it
Oh.
does. But that's not what's happening here. That's energy, not matter. Why is it going that way? What do you think, Andrew? You're baffled. You're like, whoa. I wish I could see more. Make it a little bit lower. Nope, can't really tell. Okay, so what happens when this water goes down?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Why is it going that way now?
It's not. It's still going that
Look.
way. I don't know.
And look, it's going that way really slowly.
So what happens, wow, it is kind of like changing direction, isn't it? So the water, the blue is still going down over here, you see it? But as this water goes down, it comes this way.
It pushes the.
But
blue that way.
it leaves a space, right? So when this water goes down, something's got to fill it in, just like in Minecraft when you move the water, something's got to fill it in. So this is going this way to fill in the space there. So this is an ocean current. This happens in the ocean, where they call it. They have this thing called a conveyor belt. You can see it dropping off right over there on the end of it. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see
Can
it.
you see it, Andrew? Andrew, can the camera see it? I don't even know. It's like it's dropping. It's kind of thin, so it's hard to see. But the blue water, notice, is staying kind of up at the top over here. So I made the water kind of warm. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, we'll do the next part. So, all right. So the water, the cool water sinks. It moves around to the bottom. It flows down over here. The warm water goes in the direction of the cold water to take up the space where it's sinking. So it's kind of doing this cycle here over and over and over again. Okay. Do you have any questions about that?
Yes.
What questions do you have?
I can. Why is the water moving so fast?
Well, that's a good question. Why is the water moving so fast? What do you think? Do you remember what kind of water we put in there?
Hot.
Hot water. Do you know anything about hot water? The particles,
Oh.
when
move
they're
faster.
warm, they move faster. That's why the dye is moving around. If I had done only cold water, then the particles wouldn't move very quickly at all.
Oh.
Would that be cool? Okay. All right, so that's it for this this circulation right here. Go ahead and hit the stop button, Andrew.